Welcome back to Hamburg to the Hydrogen Technology World Expo. And now I'm chatting to Patrick from Purem by Eberspächer. It's nice to be chatting to you, Patrick. Tell us a little bit about Purem by Eberspächer and what you do.
Purem by Eberspächer is part of the Eberspächer Group, one of the leading automotive suppliers in Germany. And we as Purem by Eberspächer, we are the exhaust division of the Eberspächer Group. Currently, we are using our core competencies to bring it in the hydrogen market, like handling gases, fluids, and water separation, for example. And yeah, we are focusing on that. Based on that, we have many parts in our product development we are using for.
So Patrick, taking a deeper dive into your portfolio, what are your hero products?
So we have products for the air path of the fuel cell. So we have valves for different operations in the fuel cell. We have an exhaust air system, which is mainly focusing on water separation, steam regulation, and also acoustic. And currently we have developed a very new product in an anion path, so in the hydrogen path. It's a hydrogen recirculation blower based on the technology of a side channel technology of Eberspächer Varex, which we acquired 2021. They have already serious products in air path blowers, and we use their competencies and their technology to develop now our hydrogen recirculation blower.
So quite a broad and deep portfolio. What does the future hold for you? What's your strategy moving forward?
Yeah, we expect there's a market rise up beginning 2030. We are in contact with many customers. Hopefully we get our products in this and we can push the market together forward.
Fantastic, thank you. Now I believe we're going to chat to one of your colleagues now about an exciting new development within the world of Purem by Eberspächer. So I'm joined now by Thomas, who's one of the engineers at Purem by Eberspächer. Thomas, the future sounds really, really exciting. Tell us a little bit more about what you've got planned.
Yeah, I can tell you that we are looking into direct air capturing, a method to draw out CO₂ out of the atmosphere. So to face the challenges of climate change. And yeah, we want to support this with our expertise we have from emissions control systems, thermal management, everything in that context we want to use and transfer it to a next chapter of Purem.
Something like that could potentially be planet saving moving forward, couldn't it? Or am I going too far with that?
Yeah, that's a big word, I think, but if we can contribute, it's really interesting. But of course, it needs to be beneficial economically. Yeah.
And it sounds like an obvious question, but why does the market need this technology now?
Yeah, in the end, we are living in a fossil-based economy, and at a certain point where we don't want to use fossil fuels or fossil products, we need a source for carbon in the end. For example, also to combine it with hydrogen for SAF, for the ship industry as a fuel. And also the chemical industry has a need for carbon. There are markets on the horizon which makes it necessary to get the carbon out of the atmosphere. And the second one is simply to store it and put it back where it came from.
And how far away are you from having a viable working system that is going to be able to pull that CO₂ out of the atmosphere?
So we have already a lab-scaled part available, which we are using for testing. We want to scale up to the next level in end of next year. It should be available. And in 2028, we're going to have industrial demonstrators. That's currently the plan.
And it sounds very, very exciting. Thank you very much, Thomas. Well, you heard it here first. This is a technology that could make a huge impact, not just for the hydrogen industry, but also moving forward for our planet.